She's have to hold FVCI awards this time in Peshawar also, because we want to create the soft image of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. And I have also requested in my last event, which was held here in Governor House. So this time the chance should be given to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and I would love to host you in Governor House here. I've just talked to him and he has promised me. So Kazmi Sahib will follow it up with this. And I think the future of all these Central Asian countries, Afghanistan and Pakistan, lies with the business. If we talk about previous Silk Roads, like if you talk about the business chances with Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, now Asim Bashir said about electricity thing. I went to Tajikistan and I think they were giving electricity on 1 cent to your 2 cent to their industries. And there's a lot of potential if we again go for these Central Asian countries, trade with Afghanistan, Central Asian countries. This is the future of our Pakistan and Central Asia and Afghanistan. So we should explore these countries, our trade routes. We have got 7 passes with Afghanistan, which should be officially, or what you can say, whatever government want to do, federal government, but these trade routes should be open. Then we have very good corridor of Wakhan border, if Pakistan, Afghanistan and Tajikistan work on that also, because from Doshambe you can reach Peshawar earlier than you are going to Lahore. So that is also the, we are looking forward for this.
गवर्नर केपी फैसल करीम कुंडी की जानिब से इस वक्त खिताब किया जा रहा है। पेशावर से बराह रास्त आपने मुलाहिजा किया।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।